Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming firmware and Bluetooth are active, because many pauses are software or connection related. Once done, check both AirPods and the case have sufficient charge. Low power causes intermittent pauses. Next, remove and reseat each bud in the case for about 10 seconds to force a fresh connection handshake. If you use another device, turn its Bluetooth off briefly to rule out interference. These initial steps eliminate simple causes before deeper fixes. You now repair to clear corrupted profiles. Go to Bluetooth, forget the AirPods, then hold the case setup button and reconnect. Once paired, disable automatic ear detection to determine whether sensors cause pauses. This isolates hardware sensing from software. Next, inspect the audio app and system settings for background activity or battery optimizers that can suspend audio. Also test with a second device or streaming app to see if the pause follows the. You finish with advanced remedies. Reset the AirPods by holding the setup button until the LED flashes amber then white, then repair. This clears deeper firmware glitches. Make sure both your device OS and AirPods firmware are current because updates fix known pause bugs. Clean the sensors and charging contacts gently with a dry, soft brush to restore reliable sensing and charging. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip. Test the buds on another device to determine whether the issue is the AirPods or your original source.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.